Location, stunning views, tranquility, and low property tax are just a few words to describe this incredible property. The spacious two-story home is approximately 2,500 square feet and sits on nearly half an acre with a variety of fruit trees. This screened-in veranda offers 180-degree views of the surrounding countryside and is a perfect spot for enjoying your morning coffee or just relaxing. The interior of the upper floor is spacious and inviting. It features a large open floor plan with beautiful Belizean hardwood floors and cathedral ceilings. The cozy living room flows into the kitchen, which features a large island, ample cabinets, and countertop space. There is also a separate dining area, perfect for hosting friends. Also on this floor are two spacious bedrooms with air conditioning, ceiling fans, and closets. The bathroom on this floor is good size and features double sinks and a shower. Located near the quiet village of Belize Falls and only 10 minutes from San Ignacio, the property has access to city water and electricity, backup water, and high-speed internet. The lower floor of this home features a large bedroom with air conditioning and a spacious modern bathroom. This room can be transferred into a master studio with a kitchenette for guests, a mother-in-law suite, or a rental unit. And if that wasn't enough, the property also features a large chlorine filter or saltwater pool for cooling off and enjoying the views. As always, feel free to contact me to schedule an in-person or virtual showing and lean into your calling in Belize.